I live in a small and beautiful house. It has 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. My bedroom is my favorite place because I keep my toys and books there. The living room is where my family sits together to talk, watch TV, and have fun. The kitchen is always filled with the smell of tasty food that my mother cooks. In front of my house, there is a small garden with flowers, plants, and green grass. I love playing in the garden with my friends and watering the plants. Our house is always neat, clean, and full of happiness. My house is not very big, but it is very special to me. I feel safe, happy, and loved in my house.